Legs sculpting. Back leg. Let the client lie on her stomach. Apply oil on it. Massage from calf to thigh and back to heel with both hands 3 times. Massage the entire leg from bottom to top and back to heel with both palms alternately 3 times. Massage 4 meridians from bottom to top. Bladder tendons, kidney meridian, liver meridian, gallbladder meridian, with both first web alternately 3 times. Push the popliteal fossa with both hands alternately 3 times. Massage from bottom to top with both hands alternately 3 times. Soothing action 3 times. Massage 4 meridians from bottom to top with bent fingers 3 times. Soothing action 3 times. Repeat the same on the other side. Apply moderate gel on the leg. Techniques. Massage from the bottom popliteal fossa to bladder tendons, kidney meridian, liver meridian, gallbladder meridian 3 times. Dissolve fat in small circles on the fat part of the calf 3 times. Massage 4 meridians from the popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 3 times. Dissolve fat in small circles from the popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 3 to 5 times, according to individual needs. For example, if there is more fat in the thigh, the operation can be increased to 5 to 8 times. Massage 4 meridians from the popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 3 times. Remove extra gel. Wipe and wash it with a hot towel. Repeat the same on the other side. Apply essential oil or RF cream evenly on the legs. Techniques: move from the calf to the popliteal fossa 3 times. Slowly move from the popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 3 times. Lift from the bottom of popliteal fossa 9 by 9 3 times. Lift from the bottom popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 9 by 9 3 times. Dissolving fat in small circles from the popliteal fossa to the root of the thigh 3 times. Lift both sides of the thigh to the middle 9 by 9 3 to 5 times. Wipe and wash legs with a hot towel. Repeat on the other side. Front neck. Let it recline, lie flat. Apply oil. Massage from the foot to the root of thigh with both hands. Soothing act. Massage leg to the root of thigh with 2 palms roots alternately 3 times. Push 4 meridians of the leg to the root of thigh: spleen meridian, stomach meridian, liver meridian, gallbladder meridian 3 times. The leg can be slightly bent when pushing the inner thigh. Push 4 meridians with bent fingers 3 times. Massage thigh with both hands alternately 3 times. Wipe and wash legs with a hot towel. Repeat on the other side. Apply moderate gel on the leg. Set energy parameters to the following. Techniques: push the 4 meridians on the calf to the knee 3 times. Without extra fat on the calf, could operate on the side directly. Moving circles on the 2 sides of calf, up to the knee, 3 times. Without extra fat on the calf, could operate on the side directly. Lift from the both sides of the thigh to the middle 3 times. Lift in circles from knee to the root of the thigh 3 times. Lift from the lead to the root of the thigh 9 by 9 3 times. Remove extra gel on the leg. Wipe and wash leg with a hot towel. Repeat the same on the other side. Apply essential oil or RF cream evenly on the leg. Set energy parameters to the following. Techniques: lift from the lead to the root of the thigh 9 by 9 3 times. Moving small circles on the whole side 3 times. Lift both sides of the thigh to the middle 9 by 9 3 times. Lift in circles from knee to the root of the thigh 3 times. Wipe and wash the leg with a hot towel. Repeat on the other side.